So here recently we've had issues with our Honda Rancher. It's an '04 model. This thing has been beaten, it has been rolled, it has been wrecked, and we've stretched it back out. We've hooked it up to a tree and pulled the other end out with a winch on a Jeep. This thing is tough. We buried it in mud, you name it. We've had this four-wheeler for many years and it's done awesome. But here lately, we've had an issue where you'll go to crank it up, it'll crank up just fine. We'll take it for a spin. About 5 minutes later, it'll just cut off on you. And it seems like it's happening when it heats up. So I went through the carburetor. I even changed the carburetor. It still was doing it. I changed the starter coil. Still doing it. And then finally, I was watching a video online. The guy was talking about small engines, and he said that your spark plug could be the culprit. Because after a long amount of time running these spark plugs, they can develop cracks in the porcelain, and there is a very tiny crack in this porcelain. And after it heats up, it expands and it affects your spark. So that's what the problem was. I put a brand new spark plug in it, and that fixed it. So I went to the auto parts store and I got an DPR 7EIX-9 7803 NGK. They didn't have the regular, so I just went ahead and got the premium spark plug that they had. It was about $12.